Hello people, how are you doing today? And as you can see my video, I just cooking purple corn and at the same time a banana, and I added butter on it so that it's gonna be more tasty. And as you can see also that the color of that banana changes into purple, so it's gonna be mixed color na of the banana, purple and something yellowish. So I just cook all together two in one, and that's how it is. It's already cooked, and I tried to take off that hair of that purple corn. So as you can see people, the color is so attractive. See how God created our food, even the color, it's gonna be more attractive. And that's how I eat already the corn, and so far the taste is way different from the yellow corn. That one is kind of tasteless than yellow corn, but still good.